Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today we are just going to be deep cleaning my fridge. And right now I'm just taking everything out of the fridge and I'm just putting it on the different counters so that way I could just wipe everything down. And I just also want to tell you guys thank you so much for all the people who has been subscribing to the channel. And thank you guys for 10,000 views on my Clean the Bathroom With Me, I think is what I titled it. But yeah, my last video where I was cleaning my bathroom, right now I'm at 10,000 views. So I just want to tell everybody thank you so much for liking and watching the video and subscribing to the channel. So as I am cleaning everything out the fridge, I'm also going to be taking out these white bar things. I'm not sure what it's called. I'm just going to say like a shelf. So I'm just taking everything out the fridge and I'm also putting the shelves on the counter, and then in a minute you're gonna see me wiping everything down. So my niece has stayed the night with me, and she just wanted to pop in and just say something to you guys.
Hi, this is Brianna. This is my niece.
So make sure y'all comment down below and say hi back to my niece, or you can also like the video. But yeah, just go ahead and comment down below and just say hi back to my niece. So right now I'm just wiping down the inside of the fridge, and I think I'm using a Clorox wipe. My fridge really isn't bad because I deep clean it probably about like once a month. So it's not really that bad. It was mostly just crumbs. So that's why I'm just using like a Clorox wipe, because as you guys can see, it's still pretty white. It's not like super dirty, so I really didn't have to do too much to it. And now I'm just wiping out the actual shelves that go on the bottom of the fridge. My produce and my cheese and bacon and like whatever else I feel like putting at the bottom of the fridge. It actually goes in these two bins. So I'm just, I poured some Dawn dish soap on it. And now I'm just rinsing it off with some warm but mostly hot water. And I'm just washing it out. And then you're also going to see me drying it off. And I didn't actually show you guys me putting it back in the fridge. When I show you guys the fridge again, these are already going to be in the fridge, but I did show you guys washing it and actually drying it, but I just didn't show me putting it back in the fridge. So now that the 2 bins are done, this is the part that actually goes on top of the bins, and then a glass part goes in here on top, and I'm actually going to clean the glass part next, but this is the part that goes on top of the 2 bins that I just got done washing. And this is the glass part that I was referring to. I put some Dawn dish detergent on here, and it actually got it pretty clean. I think the last time I showed you guys me deep cleaning my fridge, I think I used some Windex because it was glass, and it still came out pretty good. But now I see that all I really need is just some Dawn dish soap. So this is me putting everything back in the fridge, and I'm also putting down these pink fridge liners. This is what I got in my Amazon pink bathroom and pink kitchen haul that I showed you guys. I think it was in a YouTube short. But these are some liners that I got, and I'm just putting down the pink liners. 1, because it's pink and I love pink. And then 2, just in case I make any spills or anything, I'm hoping that it will be less cleanup for me that I have to do. And I put the milk in here just to see exactly how I should put the shells back in. And I realized that I put the shells on wrong, so now I'm just rearranging the shells and putting it back the way I was. Because to be honest with you guys, I kind of forgot how I had it before I started cleaning it. So by me putting the milk in there, it made me realize that I had it too high. And now I'm just adding the rest of the pink shells. I still have some more left over. So if these were to get messed up or anything, I have more to replace it. And you guys may hear my daughter in the background with his voiceover. But now I'm just putting everything back in the fridge. And now I'm just showing you guys how the fridge came out looking. Everything is stocked up. I do have to do a Walmart order, and you guys will see that haul tomorrow actually when it comes. But thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.